بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. waxaan bilaabanaa ABCD-da englishka. waa starting for the English ABCD. Welcome. kusoo dhawaada. waxaan bilaabanaa englishka ABCda englishka ayaan bilaabanaa. bilowga englishka ayaan bilaabanaa. kusoo dhawaada. asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullahi wabarakaatu. waatan sanado bilaabanaa. horta waan ni akhriyaya marka hore. Welcome to ABCD English. We're starting today. Welcome. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. haddana mar kale aan ugu celinayaa, marka dambena waan tusaya. I'm replay again, or I show you if I read before. After I see, I show you to how to I write. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. haddana waan tusayaa. I show you now. You can see. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O B Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I read again. A B C D A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. I read again. Welcome. You listen. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. You can read. Next time I read. I write another another ABCD. This is big the words. This is big the this is big words or small. I read the and again next time small words. Same A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. See, you can comment if you not see very well. You can write comment there for me, or can do can you sharing, can you like or page subscribe, sharing, subscribe. Thank you for listening me. You can see the another time, another another ABCD, same like this, but it's small. This is big word, big words. But another one I can write the to be small words. So this or I can write next time a same this one this a big a. I write next time small a, same this or b. I can write small b, or can I write d small d, or I can write to be small this big E or small e. I can write, or this one F, or I can write F. I can write the G. This G. I can write G small G now. Or I can write big G next time, or H small H. Can write, or L. I can write small L to B, or M. It's not J. M. I can write small n, or n, or p. It's not change or or b. It's not change b, or uh, b. It's not right. Q. I write small now. I can write big next time, or R. I can write small next time. S is not X. Is not change X. It's only S same. S is this S. T. I write now small t. I can write big T next time. Or U. I can write now U. U is not change U. Only U. It's not. It's not changing. Okay, V is not changing. W is not changing. X is not changing. Y is Y. I can write next time different. It's not same. I can write next time. I can write set is not change set only is that set it's not coming small, only big set. Okay, it's big set. S is not changing, only S is big S there. Okay, T is changing, or is coming to small or and big T. I can write next time to be U. U is not changing, only U is one. It's not coming to. Okay, P is not changing, only P. Okay, W is not changing, W is W. Okay, X is not changing, X. Y is changing, or is coming different. Another, this one is I think is big. Okay, I can write small. Next time, okay, N is big. So next time I write small N. O is not changing, O is not different, it's only O. P is not changing, P is not changing. Q is small now. I can change next time big. I can write big. This R is big now. I can write small R next time to be. G next time I can this G is small now. I can write next time to be. I can write big. H is now is big. I can write small h next time to be. Okay. I is not changing. I only one is not changing. Okay. G I G I H I H I G G is small. I can change next time. Can maybe big. I don't know. I think it's that. Key G K. It's not changing, only one. L is not changing, only one. A is changing next time. Next time A is big. Big I can write small. Example, this I can write next time to be. B I can write B to be small. This is big. B I can write small. Where is next time? C is not changing, only one. D I can write, this is big. I can write next time small d. E is big. I can write next time small e. Phi, I think phi is not. I can write phi. Maybe different. Maybe I don't know. But I think it next time, like you can see what's different. Thank you to listen me. Thank you to listen me. I can read now. Or I can read now. You can listen me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Again I read. You can listen me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you to listen me. You subscribe this page. this YouTube, you can subscribe, or you can like, you can share it. Thank you very much. Thank you to listen me.